working and playing in an off-grid environment is a lot of fun. But even when we go off-grid, we still want to bring our electronics with us, like a watch, like a camera, like the smartphone that I'm recording this with. And that can be challenging. So what I did is I went out and started researching solar generators, and I found out that they're not that hard to put together. I bought all this stuff on Amazon. I can share the links, but here's my walkthrough. I started with a 100-watt semi-rigid, semi-flexible solar panel. It comes with these standard plugs on the end. I bought a charge controller, and I bought some plug ends with some wire and some alligator clips. And I hooked the charge controller together with the plugs for the solar panel and the plugs for the alligator clips. And all you need to do is plug the solar panel in, connect the clips to your battery, like a 12-volt car battery will do. And with the built-in USB plugs on the charge controller, you've got power for your devices. Otherwise, you can run lights, you can run all kinds of other attachments as you go. So, that's my solar generator. What are you running? What have you got? Give us a shout. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.